Bish. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well guys and you are safe, and I have this video, by the way, is an unboxing or a reveal. I have bought this bag maybe more than a month ago and I just don't want to share it because of all the things going on at the moment. I don't want to be like doing all unboxings and unboxings, and because I don't want this channel to be like that, just unboxings. But I just want to share it because I have been inspired by these two fab luxury YouTubers, and they are my friends here on YouTube and on Instagram, and it's Katie Kato. Is it right? Anyway, I'll pop her like YouTube name, and Babsy Goes Vintage. She is the queen of vintage, I'm gonna tell you. She's got all the gems that you can find. But I have been inspired by their videos of the Dior book Tote like alternatives, and I have done my research and my hunt for a perfect alternative to the Dior book Tote, and I have found one in here, and you will be surprised of how much I scored and I have bought this bag for. And if you wanted to know more all the juicy details, and then continue watching. And before I forget, I am Kenny, and if you're new to my channel, I do luxury videos, unboxings and bag reviews. If you're inclined to these sort of videos, I would like for you to consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe button and the bell button to notify the videos that I do make. And so let's get cracking on the video. So, and I have watched Barbara's or Babsy Goes Vintage video that she's got the Tote print, but I mean, I find them, but they're very expensive. They go for like $500–600, but I'm just not so willing to spend that kind of money for a vintage bag. And I found this on Depop, and when I got it initially, I thought, oh, this is just a fake bag, or you know. So I got it authenticated through Authenticate First, and they're very quick, and it came out authentic, which I'm so pleased about. But I'm gonna tell you why I feel like it's not, but let's reveal it. Ta-da! So, it's kind of a Lady Dior like kind of style with this. I love this, you guys. The gold is just so buttery, so glistening yellow gold. And seriously, I got this and saw this on Depop. It was selling for $180, which I think initially $180, oh, that should definitely be a fake bag. And then I tried to get more photos, and I was starting to think that, oh my gosh, is this a diamond in the rough, you know? So I purchased it and I got it authenticated, and when I got this, the interior, the zipper feels just really not up to par with what I see. That zipper, I'm really sorry about the noise. It's a YKK. Okay. Bish. Stop it. So it has that canage like lining, red lining inside, and it doesn't have a date code or a serial number, but it just says Christian Dior, Paris, and it says made in Italy. If you could see, you can see it. I'm not sure if you could see. I couldn't see my viewfinder, but it's in amazing condition, and yeah, it does smell vintage. And this one, my goodness, it feels it's quite substantial. It says CD on the zipper pull. And I love the length of the strap. It's just perfect. Just if you try to get things out, it's not too high up here where you need to go pull it down just to get your things out of. I love it. And one thing that I love about it is that you can really detach this and use it for your other like Dior bags, or maybe you can bling your other non-designer bags if you wanted. But this is in full leather, which is like blew my mind. Like $180 for a vintage Dior bag. Oh my goodness me. And I have seen a few people sell this for much more, like 4 times more than this for sure. And oh my gosh, I'm so lucky to find this. There's a bit of corner wear on the corners there, but oh my gosh, I am so lucky to have found this. I feel like, although I love the Dior book tote, I love it, but I'm not very in love with the price point for basically a fabric bag. I just cannot. Seriously, even if I have enough money to buy it, I think I still won't. It's just not for me. I think I mean I love to have it, but not with a $3,000 price tag. But I'm very happy to add this. It's, you know, it can easily be just a generic, like it can just be any generic like tote bag without that D or Dior like charms in here, and you can easily just tuck that away if you don't want it. And if I will use this as a work bag, I think I'll just tuck it inside or just take the whole like Dior charm out. And yeah, I feel like it's quite functional. I have tried to put my MacBook Pro 15-inch in here. It doesn't fit. It's just a little difference, like maybe 2 centimeters. But you can put it like vertically, but it's just not a fan of it. But oh my goodness, what a score. You guys, let me know what your thoughts on this. I feel like this is the best like alternative to the Dior book tote. I don't see a lot of this come up on eBay, but oh my gosh, if you can get your hands on one, do guys. It's leather, and even if the Dior book tote trend goes out of style, you can still have a, you know, a functional like leather tote that you can use over and over in your wardrobe. And I think that's what like my criteria in buying pre-loved now. I really want that item to last a lifetime and in the wardrobe, like moving past trends and everything like that, that I can still use them. And like seriously, if I'm thinking if I had the Dior book tote with all the fabulous beautiful like prints, yes, it's pretty, I know I can rock it, but I don't think if I'm 50 years old I can still rock it like that. I mean, I can I can do, but I feel like I'm not that person. I think I'm trying to know, I'm really like knowing what I love about or comfortable wearing is the very understated things. I don't like a lot of logos and just very little like bits of design elements to it, like this charm. It's just, you know, it's just a little design elements that gets me. And yeah, there's a lot of things that you can unravel or unearth in the pre-loved market for designer items. You don't really have to spend like top dollar for things that you can just buy pre-loved, and it's also in contribution to the circular fashion and not contributing to waste anymore. And oh yeah, did I mention that it's a zipper It's a zippered tote there. It's just quite thin. And I think this is like a perfect like office kind of bag. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little like reveal or unboxing. Let me know what your thoughts are if you have this, or if you have any questions on it. Do let me know, guys. Or if you found a Dior book tote alternative, it doesn't have to be Dior. I have seen Mango does it, and Daniel, if you're watching, I love the Mango version that you have. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you did enjoy this, and I'll catch you up on my next video. Stay safe and